Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we are about to be discussing pet insurance in Australia. So why not? Let's just dive right in. You can see the pet insurance companies. We have Australian seniors. So this one is basically for your pets, and it is gonna be covering about $12,000 to 2,000 per condition. Then we have minimum age for new cover is 8 weeks. And yeah, so we have multiple other plans as well. So if you scroll down, you can see we have Bow Wow, and this one is also really great option if you want to go from $10,000 up to $30,000 max annual benefits. And yeah, if you're looking for big, uh, let's just say insurance, then this is of course a good option. We have a couple of more like Buddy Gold and Buddy Silver. These are both of the same packages of same insurance, so also gonna cover something big. So yeah, I got a couple more, but these are the top and I recommend these. So yeah, I hope this helps. See you in the next video.